What's going on everybody? Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the most awesome, creamy and smooth double chocolate no churned ice cream. It's really easy to do, you don't need any special equipment, and it doesn't even take that long. And the flavours are amazing. We'll start off by bringing a large heavy base saucepan filled half full with water to a simmer. Once the water's at a simmer, I'm going to place over a large bowl, and this is called a bain-marie, which is just cooking over hot water. You don't want the bowl to be touching the water though, as this will burn the chocolate when we're melting it. I'm going to add in 150 grams of 70% dark chocolate and turn the pot down to a low heat. I'm just going to mix this through. Alternatively, you can do this in a microwave. Just do it in 10-second intervals. And just make sure you stir it around every time. And also for this recipe, you don't just have to use dark chocolate. You can substitute the dark chocolate for white chocolate or milk chocolate in equal quantities. So once the chocolate's fully melted, I'm going to take it off of here. And with the water, we won't be needing this anymore. I like to let this completely cool down and then water my garden with it instead of just pouring it straight down the drain. And now that our chocolate's all nice and smooth, I'm going to add in 30 grams of cocoa powder. Fold all that through. And then I'm going to add 600 milliliters of heavy cream. Then with a whisk, I'm just going to mix all this through. Then either using a hand whisk or an electric mixer, I'm just going to whisk this to stiff peaks. Then once it gets to the stage where it's got to a ribbon effect and sits nice and stiff onto a whisk, I'm going to add in 300 milliliters of sweetened condensed milk. And 100 grams of dark chocolate chips. And like the chocolate at the beginning, you don't have to have dark. You can substitute it for milk or white. Or if you really love chocolate, you can actually put all three in there. So then with a spatula, we're just going to fold all this through. And with this part, you don't want to over mix it, as you don't want to knock the air out of the whipped cream. So once it's just fully incorporated, then we're going to pour this into freezable containers, or cake tin or a bread pan. Then with a spoon, I'm just going to gently fold this through, just to lift up those chocolate chips and make sure it's all evenly distributed around the ice cream. Then with whatever container or pan that you've poured this into, we're going to put some baking parchment on top of this. And what this does is it just prevents any ice crystals forming and prevents it from freezer burn. I'm also going to chuck a lid onto these. And then we're going to pop these in the freezer for anywhere between 6 to 12 hours. Then after 12 hours of being in the freezer, take the baking parchment off. And that's set really well and looks really good. Then here I have an ice cream scoop in some boiling hot water. And there we have our really easy to make double chocolate no churned ice cream. It's creamy, smooth, not too sweet, and has an awesome chocolate flavour to it. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I was able to teach you something. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button down below, as it really helps my videos and my channel grow. And if you'd like to see more, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification next to it so you never miss when I upload. I post 3 videos a week with recipes, tips, tricks and secrets. And I'd love to know in the comment section down below, what is your favourite type of ice cream? I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.